Okay guys, we are at the plot and we are thinking we've made a mistake by making everything smaller, because right now when we are here we don't feel like we planned it out right, so things are really looking small. Some people say it's that way, like when they're building it looks smaller, but we'll see. Some other rooms look good though. Just hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan, but you can call me the village lady. Say hello to my basil. For some reason I just feel like when you have a green plant in the background, it brings out your it just contrasts better. So say hello to my basil, my beautiful basil. So if you're joining for the first time, thank you so much for clicking. I'm glad to have you here, and don't forget to subscribe. I really need that subscription. Get me to 5,000 subscribers. Woohoo! We can get there, and with your help. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. Give the thumbs up to the video so you can tell YouTube that, oh, this video is cool and people can actually watch it, and YouTube will be like, oh, hey you guys, there's this video and this cool person said it's okay, so you can watch it. Yeah, so thank you so much. And yeah, today, as from the title, I'm going to show you our house process, our house building process, our house construction process. So, and yeah, if you're joining for the first time, I've already posted a video of us buying land, that we bought land, and also I posted a video of where we live right now, our 1-bedroom where we live, my whole family lives. We are 4, my husband and 2 kids. So if you're joining for the first time and you didn't know that, now you know, so please subscribe. Yeah, so tell me where you are watching from, please, in the comment. Just while you're watching, tell me where you're watching from so I can know better my audience. Yeah, and if you're joining for the first time, just comment like, oh, I'm new here, and we'll welcome you. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you the process. Of course, we bought land. Here's the video I'm putting here, and where we live, I'm gonna link it here again, and maybe I'll put it in the description box so you can watch it if you want to. Yeah, so we started with our construction, so I'm going to take you along. Of course, I only have pictures for when the land didn't have anything on it, like when we just got it, it was just clear. But I'm going to show you different videos of us going to, of the land and the process and all that. So I was documenting. I don't know if I did a good job documenting everything that I needed to show you, but I think I did okay. Yeah, so come with me. So as you can see, we didn't know like when the construction company was gonna start. Of course we knew, but we didn't know exactly what day. And then we went there to the site one time, and there were excavations. Or they set up the how do you call it, they framed, is it called framing? Yeah, where they draw the house on the ground, and that gives them guidelines on where to dig. So we found that, and then we were so excited. As you can see in this picture, this is how it looked, and we were also freaked out because we didn't know that there is an effect that when something is on the ground, when it's drawn on the ground, it looks smaller because there's nothing you can compare it to. When it's in 2-dimensional, I think, shape, don't quote me on this, but when it's in 2-dimensional, like when it's just drawn on the ground, it looks smaller. But when it becomes a 3-dimension thingy, then it can look bigger, because now you compare this wall to this other wall, and this and this and this. So yeah, this is how it looks. And then we spent some days not going, and we found all this. As you can see, they dug the foundation, they had to water it down just for the concrete to set well. So So yeah, this is it. This is gonna be our home. This is gonna be our home. Excited! Already put sand on it, and those white pipes you can see are the electrical. They are for electricity. So our electricity in Namibia is in the ground. It's not like some countries where it comes from the roof or something. So our plugs come in from the ground. They are built in. So as you can see in this video, we were so excited this day because, like, oh, you can tell, you can see, like, it's the beginning of the good things, and that means we'll be able to move into our house soon and get out of where we are living right now. Of course, we have been here for 4 years, but you know, anyways, this is like maybe few days, maybe 3 days, they've already built. You know, some things worked so slow because of COVID. Like, since COVID struck, things went so slow. It was so hard for our contractor to get some things, and since the country was on lockdown, things really were slow, and some material prices went up and all that. But as you can see in this video, first they dug the foundation, and then they put up, they built, I mean, they poured the concrete, and then they put up walls, and then they put gravel just to make sure the sand is compacted. This sand, the soil or the sand you can see in the inside, this white sand is it's the sand they use to do gravel roads. So it's stronger. I feel like it's stronger than the others. So yeah, and you can see the bricks right there, the bricks and all that. Here you can see the kids inside, really happy. The building really went up fast. Right now we are just here. This is how it looks right now. This is how it looks right now. So we're getting so excited, and that, yeah, we're getting so excited. Look at that, it's beautiful. Yeah, we are getting so excited. We can't wait until it's done, and I'm going to show you, or to give you, the whole tour of the house if you stick by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Oh, here is the plastered house. You know, as you can see, they started plastering the house, and we were also just getting so excited here. And we liked going to the site, and the kids could play in the rain. As you can see, they're having so much fun playing in the muddy puddles, not muddy puddles, but in the puddles, water puddles. As you can see, and here the rain, you can see that, like, the structure is strong, or the cement, the way they build is really good. Like, I trust this construction company. If you want to know the name or whatever, maybe I can do a video on that, or just tell me what you think. As you can see here, the rain didn't really seep through all the way. Some buildings you'll find them wet the whole thing, but here they really did well, as you can see. Oh, I'm so proud of them. I think they do such a good job. So things are starting to come together. As you can see, they put up already the how do you call it, the beam for our porch, or for us, how do you call it, patio at the back here. And yeah, it's starting to really look like a house, and we are getting so excited. Yeah, here it's plastered. This is the front, that's where our garage is gonna be and all that. I'm not gonna tell you so much about it now because I'm going to give you a house tour. Of course, here, this is just the house, plastered house and painted. They've already primed it. They prime with the white under, and then they put on the color you want later. So here we went back to the site, and there was steel, like the steel got delivered for our roof. So they delivered the steel on not when the steel comes, it's not like already installed, it's not already put together, what's the word, assembled. It's not assembled yet, so they have to assemble it at the house. As you can see, it's starting to look like it. Yeah, so going back, the roof was up. Yeah, here we started getting a little bit like anxious and too excited, and you know, we want the house to be done. So we kept on going there. Look at the sitting room, kitchen area, unfinished of course, but I'm going to show you a video of it done. So yeah, I think this is all I can show you for now, until I'll go back and take more videos. I feel like the next video is gonna be the roof. It's gonna be the inside. So if you haven't subscribed yet until this moment, please do so. Consider subscribing and just tell me what you think. Like, are you excited for the house tour? I'm excited to show you. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.